Lying. The next danger of the tongue is probably the most common sin committed with the tongue, namely, lying. Lying is unacceptable, whether it is a small lie, which is often called a white lie, or when one lies as a joke. All of these types of lies are forbidden. In fact, the one who lies to make people laugh, so their aim is not to deceive someone, has been cursed 3 times in one narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2315. Another popular lie people often speak, believing it is not a sin, is when they lie to children. This is undoubtedly a sin according to narrations such as the one found in Sunan Abu Dawud, number 4991. It is plain foolishness to lie to children, as they will only adopt this sinful habit from the elder who lies to them. Behaving in this manner shows children lying is acceptable when it is not acceptable according to the teachings of Islam. Only in very rare and extreme cases is lying acceptable, for example, lying in order to protect the life of an innocent person. It is vital to avoid lying, as according to one narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 1971, it leads to other sins such as backbiting and mocking people. This behavior leads one to the gates of hell. When a person continues to lie, they are recorded by Allah, the Exalted, as a great liar. It does not take a scholar to predict what will happen to a person on Judgment Day, who has been recorded by Allah, the Exalted, as a great liar. All Muslims desire the company of the angels, yet when a person lies, they are deprived of their company. In fact, the stench that is emitted from the mouth of a liar causes the angels to move a mile away from them. This is confirmed in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 1972. Telling lies which spread to others in society is such a serious sin that according to a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 7047, if a person does this and fails to repent, they will be punished after their death to such an extent that an iron hook will be placed in their mouth, and their facial skin will be torn off. Their face will regenerate instantly, and the process will then be repeated. This will continuously occur until the Day of Judgment. To conclude, all Muslims should avoid all forms of lying irrespective of who they are conversing with. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.